are highly welcome to another. It is called garlic zingiber officinale. That is the name. The chili pepper here, you can see them here. This is pawpaw leaf. This is the neem. I have all of them here. This osimun leaf. It repels. The next one, both in poultry and livestock. You are highly welcome to another interesting topic. You can see I'm holding something in my hands. This is organic. If you're a poultry farmer, one time or the other, at the time of your practice as a poultry or livestock farmer, you may have encountered what we call pests or insects disturbing your poultry and livestock animals, something like lice, mites, both internal and external worms that disturb them, that affect their productivity. In this particular video content, I'm going to give you squad of plants and ingredients that you can use organically to take care of external worms like pests, like insects that disturbs your poultry and livestock animals and that affect your production. So if you're a poultry farmer, stop using chemicals to treat lice, mites in livestock animals. It is very dangerous. It has happened to me past 3 decades, and I don't want you to experience such in your poultry or livestock business. I will share my experience with you one of these days. But in this particular content, I'm giving you 12 squad of plant and animal nutrients, grass, weeds, and all the ingredients that can organically handle effectively mites, lice, and disinfect your poultry and livestock farms. With number 1 in the list is curry. Curry is called Murraya koniji. That is the botanical name. I'm going to give you the properties that each of them have that can repel all these insects from your poultry and livestock animals. Please, I will advise you to watch this content and the full-up content because I cannot curtail all of them in one content. Here, I'm going to guide you on their properties. And the next content is going to be how to prepare organic pests and insecticides. So make sure you don't miss it. 1. This curry contains acanthoids that have insect-repelling properties, helping to ward off pests. The next one I have here is onions peels. You can see onions peel here. See it. This onions peel. Onions peel is very rich in sulfur and it contains a lot of natural insecticides and repelling properties against pests. The next one I have here is tobacco leaf. This is tobacco leaf. Tobacco leaf is called Nicotiana tobacco. It contains nicotine, a potent insecticide that affects pests. It also affects the nervous system of pests and insects. The next one I have is garlic. Garlic is called Allium sativum. That is the botanical name. Garlic contains sulfur compound that repels mites and lice, acting as a natural pesticide. The next one I have here is ginger. Ginger is Zingiber officinale. That is the botanical name. Ginger is a pungent plant. It has pungent components that can deter pests and at the same time provide antimicrobial benefit. The next one I have here is unripe lemon. Unripe lemon is Citrus limon. That is the name. This unripe lemon is very high in citric acid, which acts as a natural insect repellent and pesticide, and at the same time acts as a property that can preserve this particular combo. It is a preservative also. The next one I have here is chili pepper. See it here. See the chili pepper here. You can see them here. You can see the chili pepper. Chili pepper is capsaicin annuum. It's the botanical name. It repels pests by irritating their sensory system, keeping them very far from their plants and animals. The next one I have here is pawpaw leaf or carica papaya. See it. This is pawpaw leaf. Pawpaw leaf is Carica papaya. It contains papain enzymes in the leaf which detects parasites and insects. The next one I have is tephrosia. See tephrosia here. You can see it here. Tephrosia is called tephrosia vigale. It contains a natural insecticide that affects the lice and mites in poultry and livestock animals. The next one I have here is tithonia. Tithonia leaf. See tithonia leaf. Tithonia leaf is called Tithonia diversifolia. That is the botanical name. It has a biotic compounds with insecticides and repelling properties. The next one I have here is the neem. The neem leaf, the one they popularly call dogoyaro. The neem leaf, you can see neem. This is the neem. I have all of them here. The neem is Azadirachta indica. It has insect destructing properties. It disrupts the life cycle of the insects at the same time repelling lice and mites. The next one I have here is pumpkin. See, pumpkin leaf is the next one I have here. This is pumpkin leaf. The pumpkin leaf is Cucurbita pipote. It contains a repelling properties that affects the insect and their larvae. The next one I have here is scent leaf. You all know what scent leaf is. It's a spice. Scent leaf is Ocimum gratissimum. It has an essential oil and properties that repel insects and act as an antimicrobial agent. The next one I have is lemongrass leaf. Lemongrass leaf is Cymbococcus citrotus. That is the lemongrass leaf. It repels mosquitoes, flies, and other pests and insects from plants and animals. Next one I have here is turmeric leaf. Yes, my turmeric leaf, I brought them yesterday. The leaves have started falling, but I still have the particles here. This is turmeric leaf. You can see it. This is turmeric leaf. Turmeric leaf is Curcuma longa. Has an anti-insecticide and antifungal properties which repels pests and insects. I have aiden fruit, which is Titropulore tatropetra. See it. It has a biotic compounds both in the fruit and its leaves that act as insect repellent. The next one I have is tomato leaf, Solanum lycopicium. This acts as toxic. It is very toxic to insects, and at the same time it repels mites and the lice in poultry and livestock animals. The next one I have here is the ash. You can see this is wood ash. Wood ash acts as a desiccant and drying out pests and killing lice and mites both in poultry and livestock animals. I have another very effective, and we cannot complete this without them. That is called animal urine. It's a mixture of both cow and rabbit urine together. This contains ammonium, which repels pests and parasites when used around livestock areas. You can see this is a mixture. The next one I have that will complement the whole nutrient I've mentioned here is the water. Water is used as a carrier and solvent to dilute the plant-based pesticide for easier application. All these plants and ingredients and materials I've mentioned here is what I will use to prepare this organic combo that can repel any difficult pests, lice, mites, even insects around both your home, your farm, in the body, and even in the external environment of your poultry and livestock animal. You can also use it to disinfect your poultry house completely if you can prepare them very well. The same way and manner I'm going to prepare them in this particular video. Please, these plants and materials are for external use, not for internal use. So you can use it to disinfect your poultry house. You can use it to wash your livestock animals. You can use it to sprinkle on your the body of the livestock animals, most especially poultry and four-legged animals, to disinfect their body. scare all the insects, lice, mite. Even in your home, you can use it to pursue, chase away war gecko, mosquitoes, anything that is called insect. Ants, black ants, call them yellow ant, green ant, black, blue, purple, any type of ant. This particular combo is going to repel them. That's why I always advise you to make sure you follow up this upcoming content where I am going to prepare them and tell you how you can effectively prepare and make use of them to get the best results. Don't go far. That video is loading. Watch here. You see the video here loading. Thank you for being with us. Please share this video to reach more farmers. If you have any question regarding this content, kindly drop it on the comment section. I will also answer you. And this video should reach more farmers, both livestock farmers, crop farmers, and any agricultural-based business. This particular topic is meant for them. It can repel insects that eats up the plants like leaf, potatoes, onions, and all your crop plants. Once you sprinkle them within your plant, all of them will take off. It can repel and kill lice and mites in the body of your livestock animals once properly prepared. The same way I'm going to prepare it in the upcoming content. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm cutting it off here. But make sure you watch the upcoming content. Bye.